Oh, hey guys.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your toy web shooter and make it blend in with your costume even better, so that it looks nice and discreet. And I'm going to be showing lots more web shooter mods in my videos, so be sure to subscribe. Another problem with the toy web shooters is that they often jam up, which has the charm of the real-life Spider-Man web shooters, but having said that, it's not super convenient. So I'm going to show you how to stop jams in another video. But right now, let's get to modifying your web shooter to look better. So here's how my web shooter came out. This one is black so that it can go with my Homecoming costume, because in the Homecoming movies, Spidey has black web shooters. If you want web shooters that look exactly like the Homecoming web shooters, then check out my functional Homecoming web shooter build video. Now, if you look closely, there's a web pattern on the web shooter. You can use a Dremel tool to buzz that down and then sand it smooth, but I really don't mind that pattern. I think it looks pretty good. You could also fill these areas with polymer clay and paint it, but I really don't mind this web pattern. I think it has a good look to it. Here's the new model of Spider-Man silly string web shooters available in stores today. They're really good and they look better than my 90s model. Having said that, I don't like the way the can looks, and that's one thing that I'd like to fix. I wore my classic red and blue costume for my video of Spider-Man web slinging through downtown, and those web shooters were red. So I just taped over the can with some red tape, and that worked pretty well. But if people are going to be getting close to your costume, or if you're going to be doing photography, you may want a smooth, factory finish look to your can, like my web shooter here. And you can only get that by painting it. So let's get to it. I'm just going to put a few caps on the top so that I don't clog anything with paint. And I'm going to spray paint these ones black because I want a Homecoming style black web shooter. The trick with spray paint is to stay really far back and not get greedy. Make sure you do a couple of coats so that you don't get drips. If you try to apply too much paint at once, then a lot will get on the surface and you'll start to see those unsightly drips. So just be really patient. The spray paint dries quick, and you can come back and do another layer in a minute. That looks like it's going to work really well. Metallic colors work really well on the cans too, and they will make the can of silly strings stand out as a web cartridge if you like that idea. Thanks for watching. I know this was a pretty simple mod, but you know what? I think it pays off a lot. Next time, I'll get into some more practical stuff and I'll show you how to make a special nozzle that can fire silly string from any can. Please throw us a like and leave us a comment in the comments bar below. And if you enjoy cosplay and nerdy things, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because we have lots more nerdy videos coming your way this year. Cheers!